Hey Stampers, this is Nancy with stampingbay.com, and I am going to show you how to make this cute card. I decided when I was going to make my next one, I was going to think outside the box and go with colors that I normally don't choose. And so I decided I was going to go with the Daffodil Delight, and I ended up using the Grapefruit Grove. I was going to use an orange, but I thought Grapefruit Grove would be a good color to go with the Daffodil Delight and then stay with the softer colors. I am going to do a little bit of a different version of this, and hopefully you will enjoy the version that I come up with. So we will move on here. The stamp set that we're using is going to be the Incredible Like You. It's a photopolymer set, and it is in our Occasions catalog, the 2019 Occasions catalog put out by Stampin Up. And I do believe, let's see, I think it's on, okay, look at that, I turned right to it. It's on page 21. And this is the stamp set right here. It's $17, and it also will coordinate with a project kit called Incredible Like You as well. I do have a class that we are going to be putting on our website that you can get a free PDF if you order the stamp set and the project kit together. Comes to be about $44. If you spend about $6 more, you get a free stamp set of your choice due to it being a celebration. But by you purchasing these two items from us, we will send you a free PDF with 8 other alternatives that you can use with this kit. So there'll be more information posted on our website once that goes live, but keep your eyes open for that. And then we're also going to be using, let me see here if I can find it. We're also going to be using the Gingham Gala Designer Series paper. The color that we're going to be working with today is going to be the purple, or it is actually called our Grapefruit Grove, which is my favorite, and Highland Heather. For this one, we're going to be Grapefruit Grove and Highland Heather, and we're also going to be using some of the sequins, the Gingham Gala adhesive back sequins. All right, so let's get started. Put this out of the way. And first we're going to cut our 8.5 by 5.5 cardstock. We're going to take it the long way, cut it directly in half. Put the one piece aside. We're going to turn it, and then we're going to score it at 4 1/4. Okay. We're just going to give that a good burnish. All right, so there's our card base. Next, we are going to take a sheet of our Gingham Gala, and I chose the Highland Heather, of course. And we are going to chop this down to 5 1/4 by 4 inches. So I'm going to do 4 inches first. And these come in 6 by 6 packs of paper. So it's really nice to have them cut down by 5 1/4. Yep, I just had to double check. All right, put that aside. Oh, I love these two colors together. Isn't that pretty? Absolutely love it. Okay, next we are going to cut 2 pieces of our Whisper White. This is already cut down to 8.5 by 5.5, and we're going to cut it down to, let's see here, 5.5. I get myself all messed up here. So it's, or down to 5, excuse me, I'm so sorry. Cut it down to 5. Then we're going to turn it the long way and cut 2 pieces, one at 3 3/4, and that will go on the outside, and then another one to go on the inside to 3 3/4. All right, perfect. So now we have a layer for the front and then one to go on the inside as well. Okay, I think we're done cutting. Set that aside. So now I am since this is the photopolymer, I've already attached all my stamps to my blocks. And if you can see, when I was making that Incredible Like You kit, boy, that glitter gets everywhere. I love glitter, but oh my goodness, that green glitter in that kit is crazy. No matter how gentle or how careful you are, you will get glitter all over. All right, so we are going to stamp the first color. I think I'm going to go with the Gorgeous Grape. So when it comes to this, it's a two-step stamp set, and for some reason I like doing the bolder one, the darker one first, then I do the lighter one. So we're going to go ahead, stamp this up. Now when you use our ink, see if you can tell, I kind of went crazy on it a little bit on the corner, but that's okay. I'm not going to rock my stamp or anything on the paper. Sometimes you can just let your ink, your stamp pad set on the top, but I kind of give it a gentle tap. And I'm going to put one up over here. Now I'm going to go through and I'm going to stamp all the dark ones first with the one color, and then I'll come back and do the other. And put one there. Now I know a lot of people will use their a stamping pad underneath this to kind of give it a little bit more of a cushion when it comes to the photopolymer, but I found I haven't had any issues unless it's a very detailed stamp set. Then I might have some issues stamping the images because there's no cushion underneath with the photopolymer like there is with the rubber ones. Okay, so what's really neat about this stamp set is it's a distinctive stamp set, and in the past, people would have to do the dark color in one and then take a lighter color and stamp with the softer image to go over it. But how these are designed is we don't have to do that. We can use one ink color and